is number 44 in the cat eyes. And it's like thing is purple hint a little bit. Really cool. I'm so in love with this. So apply, you don't need to apply 2, 3, 4, 5 coat. Just one coat is good. Because I did 2 coat of the magnetic already. All right. This one? It's like, can I see this one? Yeah. And you can do it on the bottom too. How cool it is. All right. Thank you so much, Mama Big. Oh, wait. Flash gear. This is simple. You don't have to like, you're going online and then you see like this, they tilt like this, the tilt top, bottoms, down, whatever it is. And then by the time you don't see any cat eyes at all, you're like, crap, what's wrong did I do? You did too much, overdoing it. Because the freaking social media is just like Instagram or Facebook videos is really stunning, is cool, but it's just destroy it because it looks poop, poop, poop. And by the time you poop it for like 5 times and you have no cat eyes effects at all, it's like, oh God. So just do simple, just one and you're good to go. Just don't like do top, bottoms, left, right, and then all your cat eyes is like disappear. So, okay. Well, you can try it because I did it so many times and I said, oh my gosh, that I heard so many of the question about that. And so, oh my God, I could never get the cat eyes out just because we're overdoing it. So I am going to using, hold on. Let me see. We have the chamfer foil. I'm gonna do one of really cute chamfer foil blossomings fall. Of course, you know that's colors is my everyday. All right, so I am going to using the premium eye hold chamfer foil. It's apply for 30 seconds. Sorry, we have a little bit of technical difficulties on Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. We're back right now. So I'm gonna get the number 50. You know what, be honest with you, you can do any colors. Any, any foil is gonna look stunning. Or you can use the stickers, do whatever is, you know, you like. So, blossoming fall. This one is really cool. I did have that one on my nails. All right, so after 30-second cure, this one looks good. Huh? I really wanna. This one, maybe the fall. This one, it looks cool. Sorry. Ready? And I say, okay, are you ready? Are you ready? And then I press it on and it's just like upside down, the wrong side. And then you like pure up. So, oh my gosh, I've been ready and this didn't chamfer. It's not chamfer when you putting the wrong side, which is me quite a few times. So are you ready? Are you ready? Like everybody's like, don't breathe. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Ah, it looks so cool. Look at, I still see the cat eyes right there. Thank you so much. Nails Voix. Nail Voix. Did I say it right? I'm sorry. Just don't kill me. All right, so let's go into Smile Mix. Yes, is. All right, so we are going to do a condensed glue gel, really thick density, so you don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. And close the lid so then you won't tear. And no wet top coat. We want to add this cute pumpkins right here. All right. Ah, spirit. Let he or her. I'm gonna using pumpkin spice. Of course, you know that every time with the fall, you will see me do this colors, and also it's Cool Stunning's glow in the darks crystal as well. And because the pumpkins have a little crown, like a purple crowns. You know, pumpkins have his own costume. So you either getting your pumpkin, I mean, in your subscription box, which is awesome, and you can also get it from the $5 nail art. I know, it's Mama Vic, thank you so much. The storefront's gonna be open and it's gonna be so cool and sunny. So like for all the glitz lover wanna learn with DIYs or watching tutorials and demos quickly, we can't wait to share everything with all of us. I'm gonna add some beads on. You know it, if you don't want any beads on, you can definitely skip this step and then moving on here for 60 seconds. But I'm just adding some beads on it. Alright, so now if you want any like a frame, anything on, you can add it on as well. I love it. I love the looks of the cat eyes underneath the backgrounds. Oh, my hair. And the frame. The best thing about condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat, because I can always like adjusting them accordingly, and then before you cure, you can just make sure you are adjusting them the way you want it, and then you can cure. Hey, easy. Oh my gosh. Make sure that I'm straight. Okay. Good. It looks cute though. It looks like she or he had a crown on it. Doesn't matter. He's ready to go trick or treat now.